Hey, what's up? I say hey a lot, don't I? This is Clarell, and today I want to discuss how to look confident on stage. It's really very simple. You know what I mean? Like a lot of times when I'm working with artists and I'm preparing them for performances or auditions or whatever they're going after, a lot of times they'll say to me, I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to do with my hands. All you gotta do is be normal. You know, the easiest way to look, if I was on stage right now, let's say I'm on stage right now and I'm singing to you, like these words that are coming out of my mouth is really a melody that I'm singing to you. It's basically best for me to be, you see how I'm moving my hands as I speak? You know what I mean? You might, if you don't know what else to do with your hands, you know, you can fix your collar, put some, you know, take some dust off your shoulders, you know what I mean? Fix your zipper, whatever you want to do. It's just about, you know, fix your shirt. It's just about being natural, you know what I mean? Being natural, you know, you point to there, you point to there, point to that person, point to this person, you know? The easiest way to be confident, to look confident on stage is to, you know, also acknowledge the people in the front, you know, with strength. You point in the front, acknowledge the people to the side, acknowledge the people to that side. You know, it's about being confident. It's about being basically normal, being yourself. You know, let the lyrics that you sing tell you what to do with your body. You know what I mean? It's like, if you want to be confident, it's like if the lyric is, if I go, will you go? If we go, then they'll go. So I'll let the lyrics tell me. So if I go, will you go? Will then they'll go. You know what I mean? It's like it's like if I'm saying I'm pointing to myself. If I'm saying you, I'm pointing to you. If I'm saying them, I'm pointing over there. I'm not pointing over there, but I'm gesturing over there. You know what I mean? If I'm saying up, I'm looking up and I'm going like this. If I'm saying down, I'm looking down and going like this. It's like, let the lyrics tell you what to do. You know what I mean? That's why it's good to have good lyrics too. So how do you look confident on stage? You just have to be natural. The easiest way to prepare yourself to look confident on stage is to film yourself. And when you film yourself, just be natural. Remember, it's just art imitating life. So the way I'm talking to you right now, and I'm being animated, my hands are moving, my body is kind of swaying back and forth. The only difference between what I'm doing now and what I would be doing on stage is I would be doing it in rhythm. It's like I'll be gesturing on beat. Boom, 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 pop, you know what I mean? And I would just, everything I'm doing, you see, I'm doing the same thing I've been doing all along, just that I'm doing it in rhythm now. That's all it is. That's just really the difference. It's just an exaggerated version of life. Art is an exaggerated version of life. So you want to look confident on stage, let the lyrics tell you what to do. Whatever the lyrics are telling you, do what the lyrics are telling you to do. Or, you know, don't literally do it, but, you know, hint towards it. You know what I mean? Hint towards it. You know, whatever the lyrics are. So hopefully I've helped you. You know what I mean? And, you know, I hope that I hope that I've helped you. I don't know what else to say. I just hope that I've helped you because I really want to help. All right, so subscribe up top, comment down below, and I'll speak to you soon. My name is Clarell.